And sit, 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 sit. Your typical day will start around 6 a.m. The guides will organize your food, drink, tackle and bait, and then you're off to the beach. And it's time to buckle up because now things get real.
You're a rolling stone, but I'm a cannonball. You're not fooling me, not fooling anyone. Got your head in a cloud, you're delusional. In an ocean of this emotional. Rest be sure, I'll be looking for something
What a stunning fish. You happy?
It is, yeah, I'm very happy.
Come fish with us here in South Africa.